asked us to find the length of the minor arc EF, which is why it only has 2 letters in its name. And we are also given the right central angle, angle EDF, right here, and the radius of 16 feet. So if we were to draw a circle, it's going to look something like, let's see, center is D, and because this is the right central angle, it's going to have the radius right here and the same identical radius right there. So this is 16 feet, r equals 16 feet, and this is r equals 16 feet. And this is going to be E, and this is going to be F. So you can name this E and name this F, or you can switch places and it's still the same. And since it's a right angle, there's a little square right there. And we are supposed to find the length of EF, which is the one in the red right here. So we can say length of the minor arc EF is equals to what? Well, it's going to be equal to the central angle, which is 90 degrees because it's the right central angle, divided by the total degree, 360, and multiply that by the formula of the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi times the radius, 16. And this is just a matter of simplifying. Well, we know for sure that 90 over 360 is going to give us 1 over 4. 2 times 16 is going to give us 32. So this is 32 pi. But 32 multiplied 1/4 is going to be 8. So we get 8 pi. And, 8 pi feet. And this is the length of the minor arc, EF. Now, in this case, we are using the degree form of the formula for the arc length, but what if we use the radian form? Well, we know the radian form, in the case where the central angle is given in radian form, it's just going to be the central angle theta multiplied by the radius. So let's try this one and see if it's going to give us the same answer. And I think it should, because we know that 90 degrees, which is the central angle here, is the same as what? 90 degrees is the same as the equivalent radian form of pi over 2. So the degree form is 90, the radian form is pi over 2. So using the radian version of the formula for the area of arc length, I'm going to have the radian form pi over 2 multiplied by the radius, which is only 16. But hey, guess what? This is going to give us 16 pi over 2. But 16 over 2 is the same as 8. So this is 8 pi feet. So you see? So it's still going to give us the same answer.